to fear. Maybe it's loneliness. Whatever it is.
Okay, if you caught this powerful episode last year of the NBC show This Is Us, showing Chrissy Metz's character letting out some stress during a pound fitness class, no doubt you were curious about the workout trend. Well, we were too, and not only were we curious, but we wanted in. As luck would have it, our own Studio 5 fitness and contributor, Melanie Douglass, teaches a pound fitness class. So today she's here to fill us in on this up-and-coming workout. So my question, was this workout popular or growing in popularity before that episode?
It was growing in popularity. So I saw it probably 5 years ago at a fitness trade show. And I'm going to tell you, when I first did it, I thought it was wacko. But it's kind of grown on me over the years. And then it really took off with that episode. And they're growing. You're going to find Pound in clubs and studios all across
So Pound Fitness, the shortcut is Pound, as you just referenced
Pound.
it. What is it exactly?
Okay, so this is basically a workout that's inspired by the infectious feeling of drumming.
Okay.
But it's a low-impact workout. So what they've done is they've figured out all these fun ways to still get great intensity, a great calorie burn, but there's no jumping, there's no plyometrics, there's not all this crazy hard stuff. It is so awesome for your legs, your core, and your arms.
Do people enjoy it for the emotional release too? That's got to be some of it.
Well, I do. And I always remind my classes, I'm like, I don't care how your day was today, then for the next 30 minutes, you just get to hit stuff. So that always feels good. But yeah, I think there's definitely an emotional release because you make contact with the sticks or with the floor. So it feels powerful. Yeah.
So how is this taught? Is it a series of routines then, or is it one big routine you're building up to, or how does that work?
Every song is its own routine.
Okay.
So I love that because you only have to get through the song. When the song's over, you get to learn a new routine. They're all pretty doable, and the way Pound teaches it is they start the pattern slow, and then we increase the speed a little bit, and then we go fast. So I love that basically anybody can do it because you can come in, you start slow, and you gradually increase the speed.
You teach at Sports Academy in Cache Valley. Are these classes readily available, though, at gyms across the state?
You know, in Utah, it's growing. I would just look, but it's definitely taught more in smaller studios and like dance centers and other places like that. But just look around and see what you can find because it's growing. It's growing quickly.
If you can't find a gym near you, can you do it at home?
Yes. Okay, you can do it with wooden spoons. It seriously works. Yes. So you can, I'll show you some cool moves, but you can do some of these movement patterns with wooden spoons. When I first got Pound certified, I was practicing all the time in my living room. And my kids would get wooden spoons and do it with me. And they'd work out with me for like 20 minutes and they were like, "You're done already? Like, we just got started." They were having so much fun. So wooden spoons work great.
Okay, but really benefits though. There really are benefits to this.
Yes, you know, I've been teaching it for about 6 months. And I don't like doing someone else's choreography, but I do it. But I feel like my arms, my core, and my legs have gotten so much stronger. I've actually seen a change in my personal strength from this workout.
Does this replace a workout then, or do you still have to get some cardio in, hit the treadmill, whatnot?
I mix it up. So I like to do this workout 2 to 3 times a week because you'll feel, we're gonna demo it. It is a lot of strength.
Okay.
So for your legs, you think, I mean, you're doing cardio and it's distracting with all the patterns. But if I asked you to hold a lunge for 5 minutes, you'd just cry and be like, "No way." I would too. I would be with you.
Yeah, right.
But if we held a lunge for 5 minutes doing Pound, you do it because you're distracted by the pattern.
There's that mental distraction that allows you to maybe do more than you would. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, Melanie says anyone can master the Pound fitness trend, but can they really? We're going to put Frankie, Steven, and Sam to the test. Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm
Did
so
you take
ready.
your vitamins this morning? All right, we're going to let them pound it out with us just after the break. All right, it is the hot new workout trend everyone is absolutely loving. Melanie Douglass is ready to take me and my crew, the studio.
Oh, wow, they are already...
They just turned into backup dancers. Not sure how that happened. Anyway, we're going through a crash course in Pound fitness. Are you guys ready for this?
I am.
Melanie, take it away.
Okay, so first of all, you guys, you're going to use your legs. So when we go down and you hit the floor, I need you to be your legs bending. It's not this. If you're looking at the floor, you're doing it wrong. Okay, so I want to see your chest up, your face up. Come down, give me a few hits on the floor. Yeah, okay. Bring it up. So we're gonna start. I just wanted to make sure you're in the right position. So find your beat. Where's your beat? You got your beat? You got your beat?
Come on. Hey.
Are we ready?
Hey.
Okay. You're gonna use your legs. You're gonna get down low and you're gonna go like this. You're gonna go in, out, in,
Okay.
up.
Okay.
You got it?
Hit it.
This is just
got
a
it.
warm up.
Oh, Frankie's got it.
Come on.
Okay.
In. Now, look, I'm gonna go down, cross, down,
Okay.
up.
Cross it out.
Down,
Yeah.
cross, down,
Cross it
up.
out.
Other side. Cross,
Oh,
down, up.
Did you say cross?
Okay,
Because I crossed it.
okay. New pattern. New pattern. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go front, behind. Now you gotta be low. The song's saying get low. Get low. Okay, so it's gonna take off, and you're gonna go really fast.
The beat's about to drop.
Do the same
Beat's about to
pattern.
drop.
Ready? Look. Front,
Oh,
back,
hey,
back,
get it,
front,
get it,
front,
get it.
back, front, back.
Can I say the beat now?
Okay. How'd you do? That was just a little taste.
feel it
Get
in my-
down,
I can feel it in my quad.
Sit. Okay, let's do, this is called a kick
out.
position. We're gonna work your abs. Lean back, chest up, pound, pound, pound. Right there. Hit. So you feel your abs engaged?
I feel it.
Look, I'm gonna go. Here, side,
Okay.
side,
Okay.
side,
Okay.
go.
Say what?
Quick.
Okay.
Quick.
Oh.
Can you go faster? Oh
Okay.
man, look. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Okay, you guys are gonna show us. Let's do, they're doing really good. They're doing really good. Can you do this?
Former drummers, I should
They
point
are
out.
drummers.
Yeah.
Okay, look. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? Guess what? The whole time they're doing this, are you working your abs?
Yeah.
Boom. 1 and 2 and 3. You guys are messing me up. They're fine. Okay. So, let's jump up.
That was fun.
Do you want to do more?
One more.
One more. Now let's do lunge position. Here, you're gonna get a lunge. You're gonna get low. Is your chest up? Are you super strong?
Yes.
Look, here's your arms. You're gonna take it slow. So you're gonna go center, right, center, go fast. Look, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left.
Oh, watch out. Damn it.
I lost
a tooth. I totally lost
See
a
how you're
tooth.
doing this and
I
you're
lost
holding
a
this
tooth.
low lunge? No. Did they rock it?
They rocked it. How did you feel about that?
Good.
Yeah? Have you ever taken an aerobics class before?
I have.
You have?
Kind of. Yeah.
No.
Have you?
Yoga.
Are you out of breath?
Pilates.
I'm anaerobic.
Pilates.
Would you guys take that? Frankie, would you try that?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. You don't want to hurt Melanie's
would do
feelings.
it.
She's
Hey,
standing right
There's
here.
a
would
lot
do
of rock music.
I would do this over Zumba.
Oh, hey, yeah.
Good choice.
Less hips, more pounds.
Yes, yeah.
That
My
was
wife
really
does
fun,
Zumba.
though.
That was
Really,
great.
really fun. Hey, thanks, everybody. Yeah, high five.
thank you. High
High five, high five, high five.